How to open a Revolut account. So the first step is to simply go to revolut.com, or you can simply download their official app from Google Play or App Store, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on sign up. Now, if you're doing this from the computer, you're gonna see something similar to this. You're gonna have to enter your mobile number and then simply click on this arrow. Then you're gonna have to install the app, and then here you're gonna have to simply tap on sign in and enter the exact same number that you just added here. And after that, you're gonna receive a text message from Revolut containing a PIN. You need to enter this into the app to verify your account for security purposes. And then simply enter your personal information, including name, birth date, address, and email address. And basically that's it. After that, they're gonna ask you to verify your account. So you're gonna have to upload your ID and then take a selfie. Now the verification process is done automatically, so you don't have to wait a lot. You just have to upload your ID and then take a selfie, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.